Oh, that looks nice. Gosh. So here I have the Otter Box Defender series. And Otter Box has been a big name in protective cases for iPhones, iPads, and all of your Android smartphones for a long time now. They're a great case. They're really rugged and really dependable. If you are someone who's rough on your phones, these will keep you from having the cracked screen, the scratched back. They're really just a very versatile case. They can be a little bit bulky, so if you do really like just the sleek finish and the thinness of this phone, the Otter Box may not be the best for you, but I'm going for rugged durability here. And so let's go ahead, get this open, and get it on this phone so we can keep it protected. So here we have all the pieces to the phone. We have the back rubber casing, the front shell with the screen protector, the back case, and then our belt clip. So let me go ahead. I'm going to clean off the phone a little bit before I put it in the case because I've been touching it a little bit. It also has just come from the factory, so it's always good to give these things a nice clean before you put them in the case. So let me get on my rubber gloves and get some lens cleaner. So I've got the phone clean. I'm just gonna insert it into the case now. I'm gonna put on the back first. Slide it right in there. Oh, fits in perfectly. I'm gonna take the front screen protector. I'm just gonna give it a little wipe down, get off any dirt or dust that may be on there, because if I don't get it off now, it's gonna be on there for a while. Get that clean. This case looks really nice as well. And just slide this on here, make sure I line up all the clips and just pop them into place. Perfect. So the last thing to do is attach the rubber casing. And make sure that all of the edges clip back on to the phone. And there we have it. Our brand new iPhone SE2 is nice and protected by the Otter Box Defender. So we've gone through the unboxing, we've protected the phone, we've got a case on it. I'm gonna go through the setup a little bit later. But thanks for joining me, guys. I'm really excited about this. I hope my mom will be excited about this. I'm really blessed to be able to give this to her as a gift. And so until next time, remember to go out and kindle and enlighten.